In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom sticker in CapCut on PC. Whether you're a creator looking to add a personal touch to your videos or a marketer aiming for consistent branding, custom stickers are a fantastic way to make your content stand out. CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing platform, makes this process simple and efficient. Best of all, you can do it directly from your browser, eliminating the hassle of downloads or updates. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and get started with adding your custom sticker. First, open CapCut in your browser by heading to the official CapCut web platform. By using the browser-based version, you don't need to worry about installing anything or keeping software updated, which makes this method incredibly convenient. Once the site opens, give it a moment to load completely. This ensures you have full access to all the tools without any interruptions. Once CapCut has fully loaded, you'll see the main dashboard here. Click on the Create New button to start a new editing project. This step is essential because it sets up the workspace where you'll build your video from scratch. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a starting point for your project. Select the blank canvas option. Starting with a blank canvas ensures you have a clean, distraction-free workspace that you can fully customize to suit your needs. Next, locate the Brand Kit option in the toolbar or menu. The Brand Kit is a powerful feature that allows you to store and manage your personal assets, like logos, fonts, colors, and stickers. By using the Brand Kit, you can ensure your projects maintain a consistent look and feel. Once you've found it, click on it to open the Brand Kit settings. Inside the Brand Kit, look for the Create button and click on it. This is where you'll start adding new assets. In this case, we're adding a custom sticker. So from the list of asset types, make sure to select stickers. By specifying stickers, you're organizing your asset into the correct category, making it easier to find and use later. Now, find the Upload area within the sticker section. This is usually marked by an icon or button labeled Upload or represented with an arrow symbol. Once you've located it, click the Upload button and select your custom sticker file from your computer. This step uploads your sticker to the Brand Kit so it's ready for future use. Keep in mind that your file must meet CapCut's recommended size and format requirements, so double-check those details beforehand to avoid any issues. After selecting your file, wait for the upload to complete. Larger files might take a few seconds to process, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the upload is done, you're ready to move on. Now, return to your canvas by clicking Brand Kit again. This will take you back to the main workspace here. Navigate to the Sticker section within your Brand Kit and locate the sticker you just uploaded. You should see it displayed in the list of available assets. To use your sticker, simply drag it from the Brand Kit and drop it onto your canvas. Once it's on the canvas, you can resize or reposition it as needed. Adjusting the size and placement ensures that your sticker integrates seamlessly into your video project. Take your time here to make sure it looks exactly how you want. Finally, once your sticker is in place, you can save your project or continue editing as needed. Your custom sticker is now ready for use in your video, and you can access it anytime directly from your Brand Kit for future projects. And that's how you add a custom sticker in CapCut on PC. By following these steps, you've learned how to upload and integrate your own unique designs into your video projects with ease. If you have any questions or need help with other features in CapCut, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.